Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I'm going to do a quick look in my first impressions of the REI Wonderland Comfort Cot. So I just got this. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box first. Then we'll set it up and I'll give you kind of those first impressions. So it is a very big cot, as you can see. And so here it is outside of the box. So let's get it set up. Let's talk about some of the features. Okay, so the Wonderland Cot was released in 2025. It's kind of a redo of REI's cots. It is their fancy plush luxury cot. So for me, I've got the chance to stay in like a cabin setting a couple of nights, multiple times this year. So I wanted something that wasn't just like a bunk bed that everyone's been on, and that was mine and that was comfortable. What else about this? It's got a luxury padding. As you can see, it's pretty thick. It is non-fluorinated DWR or waterproof coated. It has 3 legs, and you can kind of see them down here. They move around, so you can get them nice and flat on the ground. It has this new carry strap, so you can carry it easier and keeps it folded up. It does get kind of crazy if you don't have this thing going on. It weighs 20 pounds, and it can hold up to 300 pounds. What else is nice, you'll see, is you can actually raise the headrest and use it more of a recliner style. So stay tuned, we'll set it up, and then I'll lay in it. Okay, so first up, you just got to undo this built-in strap here. It has a little metal buckle and a loop on this other side. You can't see it, unfortunately, but this is what it looks like. You just pull it through. Then you just lay it on one of its long sides. And you'll expand these legs and kind of get them pre-positioned. This is the foot side, I believe. With that, you'll flop it over. And then you need to undo these. Mine were already kind of loose, but if you have them tight, it will secure a lot better. I definitely learned that. And then you will open up the headrest. And then finally, you'll give it a hold and you'll push down on the feet. So here it is, just in its standard mode. You can't really drag it that well, so you do have to pick it up and adjust it like that if you need to move it. So I'm about 5'10", and this is what I look like just on it regular. So let me go ahead and raise it up and show you what it looks like kind of in recliner mode. Okay, so as I mentioned, it does have adjustable headrest. It has a lock here. You'll need to do it for both sides. Then it allows you to raise your legs up. Well, there we go. So it is normally 14 inches off the ground. That does about double it. So getting it pre-positioned. Now my head is raised up so I can definitely just admire a beautiful view, maybe read a book, or just relax in the sun. So overall, it's a very cool cot. It's very comfortable. I do not need to use another pad under this. Pretty excited about that. I just got to cover up, maybe get a pillow. It does have this raised pillow area, but if I'm going luxury, I want to go full out. So I'm very excited to use this in the future. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.